Hey, hello everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the basic emulation of network topologies on deter lab. For this, to achieve this, we have to go to my web browser first and go to deterlabs.isi.net, isi.deterlabs.net, and give the username and password and log in. Now go to experimentation tab, begin an experiment, and select the project which is default as the E542 and the group would be default group, and give the name as lab1 and a tutorial to deter, attempt to deter. And here I have to upload an NS file, which is a network simulation file, which consists of all the node details and the links and the features and the characteristics of the links and the operating system which the nodes are going to use. For this, I have already downloaded the NS file, which would be somewhere over here, basic.ns, and we have to select the ideal swap as 1 hour and this as immediately and click submit. And experimentation, as I've already done this experimentation, we can see that there is a lab1 and we have to swap in our experiment. This may take a long time of time, so swap in, confirm, and this will take 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to pause this video. Now you can see that the swap has been done successfully, swap success, and now we go to our my deter lab1, and now you can see that this experiment is already swapped in, and now here you can see the details of the node that are being reserved with the node ID, name of the node, and the type of the PC, the OS default which they are using, and you can this also states that how many hours the server has been idle. Now you can see the visualized picture of the topology we have created. This is the topology we have created using the NS file. We have 4 nodes and a LAN server which is connected and everything. And you can also see that these are the characteristics of each node and between the links, which say the bandwidth, delay, and the loss between each link. And this is the NS file which we use for this network topology, which has 4 nodes: node A, node B, node C, node D. This line states that we are using a duplex link with the bandwidth as 30 MB and delay as 50 milliseconds. And this line gives the operating systems which are using for the nodes. And this line is for automatically installing RPMs file. This line is for installing the tar files automatically, and file this file is for starting the application automatically, and this line says that the routing protocol that we are using is static protocol, and this line says that the experiment will terminate in 2000 milliseconds. Now to see the working of this project, we have to open a terminal, SSH into the users, SSH USC 542AE at users dot lab.net, and enter the password for this. HIL180. Yeah, you can see that you are already into the USC 542AE at users. And now to log in into one of the nodes, you have to do the same thing, SSH followed by the qualified name, and we get the qualified name over here. Details, see, this is the qualified name, copy paste this. Okay, now we are copying this, copy this, and paste it over here. Done. Now you can see that you are in USC 542AE.node.b and you are inside the node B file. And you can also modify the parameters which we set, such as bandwidth and delay and the link loss. Just go to modify traffic shaping. Now here you get all the links, which all the features that you need to modify, such as now I'll modify node A delay as 40, node B as 35 maybe, and the bandwidth would be 3000, 30,000, 095, 28,000, and the loss would be something like that, and just execute it. This will take a few minutes and it's done. Now go to my deter lab 1, and go to the visualization. Now here you can see that the parameters which we changed have been changed between node A to node B, that is 35 milliseconds and 0.99% loss, and 30 MB, which I changed it just now in the delay option. Now, okay. Now the next part would be to show how to install the RPMS files. So we are already in the node. Now go to cd/proj, which is one of the directory over here, and see ls what are the documents. So we'll go into cd e542. Okay, and now here we can see there are a lot of files which are added to this directory by a lot of my friends. So we'll search for RPMS here. If RPMS, so we'll access it. cd RPMS. Okay, now you can see that these are all the files which are present inside the RPMS folder in this directory. This were installed into this because of this line which we put in the ns file. You can see that over here, and you can see this over here. Okay, so now we'll show you how to install tar files automatically. So for that, we'll log out of this node and go into node B, maybe node A, sorry. Okay, so we are in the main folder that is users. Now we will go into node A, which is the qualified name of the node A. Yeah, we are in the node A. Now to to see if the tar files are installed automatically or not, we'll use the command cd/user. Yep, we are in that. And you can see that there is a folder created by the name Akhil, which I specified in it, Akhil, and we will go into that folder and see what is there in it. So you can see there is a C matrix tar file, which I just put it in that directory named Akhil under users. Okay, now that is it for lab 1. Thank you.